To export content out of Educator for import into Moodle, log into Educator using the distEd support user ID. Click on the support module and you'll want to manage users, and then look up the course that you're looking for, or you can look up the instructor. I've found that searching by course is faster, and the results come back much quicker. Okay, I'm taking this course for Harold Walls, so we requested this change. So I'm going to take the most recent one, which is the 2009 winter semester, and I will click on it, and that will take me to another page. Once I'm here, I'm going to want to enter the course as the instructor, so I go ahead and click on that. Typically what the instructors want out of Educator are files that they may have uploaded and quizzes and tests. So what I usually do, I click on course materials, I'll click on course folders, and this will bring up, here's all of the items that the instructor had. And what I'll do is I'll click on this, and then what I want to do is I want to download this folder. So I'll click the download folder to desktop, and it's going to build it, and you can see that it downloaded that folder here. Now I've downloaded the file, and it just calls it download.zip, so it doesn't really give you the option to name it. So what I typically do is I'm going to drag this over into a folder that I've already created called hwalls, so that I have a folder here for Harold, and then I'm going to extract it, and that will create an hwalls folder. It basically builds the same structure that you have in Educator. What I really want is this PowerPoint's Unit 2 folder. So I'm going to pull that out of this hwalls directory, and then I'm going to just delete these two items, and that way I have this folder. I'm going to go back and do this same iteration through every single folder that he has. I need to create a course shell to contain this data, or to hold this data that I'm pulling out of Educator. I created a migrated courses spring course category. I'm going to go ahead and click in that. I'm going to add a new course, and I'm just going to call it US 153, and then call it business law, and since it's for Harold, I'm going to call it walls. Then we're going to call it BUS 153, and we're going to set all the parameters up here like a regular semester. We'll want to make sure that the course is set to not enrollable. That way students don't find it in a search and click into it. And we want the availability to be set to not available to students. I manually assigned Harold as the instructor in this course, so that it'll show up in his list. In Educator, you'll see I have these four folders, and I have the 4 folders now downloaded to my hard drive. I am going to zip them all. Okay, I've got the zip file created. I'm going to go back into Moodle. I'm going to click Files, and then I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to browse out, and I'm going to select the file that I just downloaded. Or rather, I select the file that I just zipped. Okay, and then I'm going to click Upload this file, and we can see that it's uploaded. I'm going to unzip it to unpack it, and now you'll see that I've got the 4 folders. Because I'm using the Mac, I get this OSX folder. I'm going to get rid of that and the zip file just to save some space. So now I've successfully exported the file content from this course in Educator and imported it into Moodle. In the next video, I'll show you how to move test questions.